Discover the Amzchef Masticating Juicer, an upgraded cold-pressed juicer that brings a host of benefits to your juicing experience. With its innovative spiral system and high juice yield, this juicer preserves maximum nutrition while minimizing oxidation. From extracting fibrous fruits and vegetables to creating a variety of health foods, the Amzchef Masticating Juicer offers versatility and convenience. Experience the joy of juicing and unlock a world of nutritional possibilities for you and your family. Here are the key features of masticating juicer machines. Upgrade spiral system for nutrient-rich juice. The Amzchef Masticating Juicer features a 7-spiral masticating system that ensures maximum juice yield and preserves essential nutrients. By minimizing oxidation, this juicer extracts rich flavors and nutrients from various fruits and vegetables. Enjoy the health benefits of ginger, celery, oranges, and more. Please note that the sound produced during operation is normal and results from the machine effectively processing the food. Multifunctional juicer for culinary exploration. Experience the versatility of the Amzchef Masticating Juicer, which serves as more than just a juicer. With the ability to transform into a meat grinder or slicer shredder, this appliance becomes a valuable addition to your kitchen. Explore new culinary horizons and surprise your family with unique creations. Make your holiday or birthday gifts truly special. Small caliber designed for enhanced taste and safety. The Amzchef Masticating Juicer features a small feeder chute that allows for easy removal of seeds, reducing the bitter taste and preserving the original flavor of the juice. This design also ensures the safety of your whole family, especially children, by preventing injuries during juicing. Enjoy the bonding experience of creating your favorite juice together every morning. Easy assembly and intelligent protection. With intelligent protection chips, the Amzchef Masticating Juicer operates safely and efficiently. It automatically stops every 20 minutes to prevent overheating and includes a reverse function to avoid any clogging. The juicer is easy to clean with the provided brush, and all detachable parts are made from high-quality food-grade materials to ensure durability and longevity. Remember to avoid extracting large quantities of highly acidic fruits at once and clean the juicer promptly after use. Conclusion: invest in your health with the Amzchef Masticating Juicer, a reliable and versatile cold-pressed juicer that delivers nutrient-rich juices with ease. Experience the upgraded spiral system, superior juicing performance, and enhanced safety features. The Amzchef Masticating Juicer comes with a 2-year warranty for the motor and normal accessory exchange, ensuring your peace of mind. Choose Amzchef for a healthier lifestyle and let us celebrate your journey to better health.